Welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 25 important CMAT questions that are helpful for your examination. Before getting into the video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. These questions are very important for your examination. Please do make a note of these questions since you are getting these questions every day so that it will be helpful for revision before your examination. Let's see the first question. Mahuri is a traditional musical instrument belonging to the state of. It belongs to the state of Orissa. It is a wind instrument. Which is considered as Mangala Badya, that is auspicious instrument. Which of the following traditional dances is not a martial art form? Bhavai is not a martial art form. It is also called as Vesha or Swang. This is from Gujarat. Ali Ai Ligang, a spring festival, is associated with which state? It is associated with Assam state. This festival is associated with agriculture, especially with beginning of Ahu paddy season, that is Ahu paddy cultivation. Let's see the next question. Who was the Delhi Sultan who died of a sudden fall from a horse at Lahore while playing Chaugan? Qutbuddin Aibak was the Delhi Sultan who died of sudden fall from the horse at Lahore while playing Chaugan. Let's see the next question. Which of the following are not a part of circulatory system? Villi are not a part of circulatory system. These are present inside the small intestines. These absorb the nutrients from the liquid mix called as chyme or chyme that is produced in the stomach from the food we eat. Let's see the next question. Chandragupta Maurya spent his last days at. Chandragupta Maurya was left to spend his last days at Shravanabelagola under the service of Bhadrabahu. Friends, Krako is providing previous papers of CMAT. Please do visit our website krako.in and download these papers for your better practice and best score. Sachin Tendulkar retired from all forms of cricket in the year. He has retired from all forms of the cricket in the year 2013. Chepauk Cricket Stadium is located in the city of. It is located in the city of Chennai. It is also called as M.A. Chidambaram Stadium. It was established in the year 1916. It is the second largest stadium in India. The first one is Eden Gardens, which is located in Kolkata. Who has been recently appointed as the new MD and CEO of National Payment Corporation of India? Dilip Asbe has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of National Payment Corporation of India. Let's see the next question. Who was the first Hindi writer to receive Jnanpith Award? Sumitranandan Pant was the first Hindi writer to receive Jnanpith Award. He was recognized as one of the most celebrated progressive left-wing 20th century's Hindi poet.
We at Krako provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Aizawl is the capital of which Indian state? Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram state. Manipur capital is Imphal. Meghalaya Shillong and Nagaland is Kohima. Calico Museum of Textiles is located in which of the following cities? It is located in Ahmedabad city of Gujarat, It was managed by Sarabhai Foundation. It was established in the year 1949. Let's see the next question. Rankala Lake is the oldest lake of which Indian state? It is the oldest lake of Maharashtra state, in Kolhapur district. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for rupees 299. Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series so that you can find our website and enroll these mocks for your better practice and best score. 5 mocks. We are providing 5 mocks. The first health minister of independent India was Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. She was also called as Rajkumari BBG Amrit Kaur. She was an activist and a social worker. In 1947, she had become the first health minister of independent India, and she remained in the office till 1957. That is 1947 to 1957. The government of India has decided to build a nuclear power plant in which of the following northern states? It has decided to build a nuclear power plant in Meghalaya state. Let's see the next question. Who is the CEO of Niti Aayog? The CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. The full form of Niti is National Institute for Transforming India. Let's see the next question. What is an annual statement of receipts and expenditure of the government over fiscal year is known as? It is known as budget. Let's see the next question. A certain percentage of bank's deposits is kept in the form of cash with the Reserve Bank of India. This is referred to CRR. CRR means cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio is reserve requirements to bank deposits into 100%. It is calculated using this formula. Who among the following formulates the monetary policy in India? Reserve Bank of India formulates the monetary policy in India. Who wrote the book An Era of Darkness, which extensively narrates the grim realities of colonial India? This book has been written by Shashi Tharoor. It was published in the year 2016. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for rupees 299. 5 mocks for 299 rupees. Please do visit our website krakow.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let's see the next question. Sahara the Untold Story is written by Tamal Bandyopadhyay, which was published in the year 2014. Viviparity is the usual characteristic found in mammals like sharks, humans, whale, etc. Let's see the next question. Which are the only 2 countries allowed by WHO to keep samples of smallpox virus for research purposes? Actually, what happened is in 1996, at the 49th World Health Assembly, all the member countries have decided to destroy these smallpox samples by June 1999, and they are left only Russia and USA to keep these samples for the research. Let's see the next question. Who discovered that mosquitoes spread malaria? Sir Ronald Ross has discovered that mosquitoes spread malaria. He has received a Nobel Prize in physiology for his work in transferring of malaria. Like how is malaria spreaded in 1906. Let's see the last question. Who discovered the first vaccine for smallpox? Edward Jenner has discovered vaccine for smallpox in the year 1796. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. For any queries and for any suggestions regarding the videos, you can tell me through the comment section. And I always advise you to make a note of all these questions like a shortcut or whichever it is helpful for you, easy to understand, so that it will be very much helpful for you before the examination to revise in a one go. Thank you.